Phantomgogo electric scooter app setup and pairing guide. So for this tutorial, the app setup and pairing, basically the step-by-step guide for that. So there is a step-by-step method over here. Just go ahead and follow. So you can download and install the right app. So the official Google Connect app, which is sometimes labeled as Phantomgogo app. So although it's merely name or an official alternative, so you can download it from the App Store or Google Play by scanning the QR code in your user manual or via the official Phantomgogo website. Then there you can just launch the app and follow the prompts to create an account or log in if you already somehow have one. But anyways, just power on the scooter and enable Bluetooth. So using the power button, do so, and indicator light should illuminate, and on your smartphone activate Bluetooth to allow the app to scan for the scooter. Then just go ahead and pair the scooter, so just search or bind device and the app will scan for nearby scooters, so tap to select yours when it appears and follow any on-screen prompts. So once paired, the app should show your scooter is connected and you can test the features like these over here, so you can just go ahead and confirm those. But that's pretty much how you pair your electric scooter in Phantomgogo. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.